A few years ago, a friend of mine had a simple hobby. Yes, just a little side hustle thing like she did because she enjoyed doing it. She made a digital planner. Yes, nothing very fancy actually, nothing special. Just simple planner that she created on her phone using her, Canva, you understand? So one day she posted one design online, just one, and she tagged it $7. Nothing happened for after she posted it for 1 week. Nothing happened, nobody reached out to her. Then the first sale later came in, and then another one, and then the third. Like, it kept going and all of that. Now fast forward to today, guys. That little $7 planner, it has made her over $143,000 from one idea. You understand? Now, when she reached out to me, she told me about this whole thing. Guys, I froze. You know why? Because she looked at me straight in the eyes and said, "You know the crazy part of it, girl? I almost deleted that idea because I didn't think anyone would care." And that is when it hit me so hard. So many people are sitting on $1 million idea without even them knowing it. They are sitting on ideas that can actually change their life. They are sitting on ideas that can change their income, ideas that can change their stories, they are sitting on ideas that they are actually ignoring. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys the 5 signs that you are sitting on $1 million idea. And sign number 5 will shock you guys because it is the sign that people ignore the most. So this video might be the wake-up call your future self has been begging for. So do yourself a favor, stay to the end. Let us talk about it. Now, number one sign that other people kept asking, like number one sign that is what other people keep asking you for, like for help without even you knowing it. Now, this is the first and most obvious sign, but also it is easy to ignore. Now, if people consistently say, "Can you help me do this? Can you show me how? Can you make this for me? How did you do that? Can I pay you for this?" Then trust me, guys, you are not just skilled, you are in a high demand. Money follows demand, and opportunities follow demand also. Your $1 million idea could be smart art, it could be editing, it could be you creating YouTube thumbnail, it can be you making voiceover for people, cooking, teaching, template, digital design, storytelling, and also your social media management. Any of these, people are asking you for help. It is the universal saying. You are sitting on that something very, very valuable. You understand? But most people think, "Oh, it is nothing. Oh, everyone can actually do this. Oh, it is not special." Stop that rubbish. If everyone could do it, they would not be asking you for it. You need to understand that. Do you understand? Now, sign number 2 is you think it is too simple to make money. Now, if you're having that mindset, this is where 90% of $1 million idea dies. People think that this is easy. Like, this is too easy. They think it is too normal. They think it is too basic. Surely nobody will pay for it. That is the things that they think. But let me tell you guys a secret. Simple ideas are the one that scale the fastest. You see, Uber, very simple. Airbnb, very simple. Canva, simple. Digital planner, very simple. Even YouTube itself, it is a simple idea with huge impact. So if your idea feels too simple, it might actually be very, very powerful, scalable, and profitable. And trust me, people pay for convenience, they pay for speed, they pay for clarity, solution, and guidance, not complexity. No. Now, sign number 3 is when it solves a problem you've personally struggled with. Now, most $1 million ideas come from, personal frustration. Yes, you need to think about it. So if you struggle with time management, you can actually create a planner. If you have struggled with confidence, you can create a course. If you struggle with content creation, guys, you can make templates. If you struggle with money, you can actually teach people side hustles, how to make this, how to make that. You understand? Your pain becomes your someone else's solution. Your frustration becomes someone else's shortcut. Your journey itself becomes someone else's road map. And the most powerful idea comes from life experience, not the perfection one. Now, sign number 4. When you can actually talk about it for hours without getting tired. Now, this is very, very huge. If there is something in your life that you can actually talk about endlessly, it excites you, if it energizes you, if you enjoy talking about it, that's not random. You understand? It is an alignment. People make millions from cooking, fitness, parenting, storytelling, tech tutorials, makeup, fashion, finance, editing, travel, and productivity. Because passion plus skill plus demand creates $1 million triangle. So if you can talk about it for hours without forcing yourself, that is not a hobby, it is a lane. Do you understand? Now sign number 5 is when you keep seeing other people profit from the same idea. Do you understand? This is the sign people ignore the most, and it costs them millions. You understand? You scroll online and see someone make money from that exact thing you can do, and you see your ideas on ST, skills on YouTube, your talent on TikTok, and also your passion being monetized by strangers or someone else, and also your small skill being someone else's future time. And you think, oh, the market is saturated. It is not saturated. If people are doing it, trust me, that means there is demand in it. The market is confirming your idea, and the world is validating your gift. Now, what should scare you is not the fact that people are doing your ideas. Do you understand? What should scare you is you thinking that, okay, if they can do this, why not me? This is the moment most $1 million ideas are born. So when you stop doubting yourself and start executing it, do you understand? So you're not empty, you are not basic, you are not talentless, you are not behind. You are sitting on ideas that can actually change your entire life, and ideas that has taken seriously, ideas you've ignored, ideas that you've doubted. But your future self, the version of you is like, it is wealthy, it is powerful, it is confident, and also is free. It is begging you to take one step, just one. Because sometimes your $1 million idea is not something you can actually create. It is something that you can actually decide to believe in it. So if this is your first time of coming across this my video, please, thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this video. Do you understand? Then go down to the comment section and type, I have $1 million ideas. Don't forget to do all of these things, right? Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next video.